This is Good Grips 3-in-1 avocado slicer. It safely slips, pits, and slices avocados. So on the back of the package show exactly how to do, like 4 steps easily. Let me show you if it works as advertised. Let's get started. So using the blade to cut through. So the blade is actually like pretty sharp for the avocados, and as this tool is big, so it's pretty comfortable. I just slipped, cut my hand, but it doesn't like hurt at all. It only works on avocado. All right, so this is first step. We're done easily, and now here is a little cup, so we push that in and twist. All right, easily the inside is coming out, and here the fun part. Let's see if it works. All right, it's not too bad, but this avocado is not fully like very soft. But you can see that it's just pretty good. So after cut the avocado, I just used a faucet using the water to spray on it, and it's pretty easy to clean. All right, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.